In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change language in Grok AI. By the end, you'll confidently switch Grok's interface and responses to the language you prefer, making your experience more comfortable and productive. First, open Grok. You can do this in your web browser or the mobile or desktop app, whichever you normally use. Give it a moment to load fully so the home screen and sidebar are visible. Think of this as your starting point. Once Grok is open, everything else happens inside its own menus, so you won't need any extra tools or accounts beyond what you already use. Next, click Settings in the top left. In most layouts, this appears as a small gear icon, and it's usually pinned to the top left corner of the sidebar or header. If your sidebar is compact, hover or click to reveal labels. The Settings option will still be there at the top left. This is the control center for your preferences, including appearance, notifications, and, importantly, language. Inside Settings, click Language. Depending on your version, it might be labeled Language, App Language, or Preferred Language, but it will be clearly related to language. This section is dedicated to how Grok communicates with you. Changing this doesn't alter your content or data. It simply adjusts the interface text and typically guides Grok to respond in the language you choose. Now, select the language you want. You'll usually see a list of available languages, sometimes with regional variants. Pick the one that matches how you want to read menus and receive responses. In many versions, your selection takes effect immediately, and you may see the interface text switch over right away. If there's a confirmation button, go ahead and apply the change after choosing your language. From this point on, new chats should reflect your selection, and Grok will aim to reply in that language. Keep in mind that existing conversations won't be retroactively translated, so if you want a fully consistent experience, start a new chat after switching. A couple of quick notes to help you get the best results. If you're choosing a language with multiple regional options, select the one that matches your preference for spelling and date formats. Also, if something looks slightly different in your settings, don't worry. Interface labels can vary by update, but the language option will always live inside settings. That's it. Open Grok, go to Settings at the top left, click Language, and select the language you want. Thanks for watching, and enjoy using Grok in the language that fits you best.